2023 Mary Ellen Barbera Judicial Excellence Award is presented to the Honorable Joseph M. Getty, class of 1996. Judge Getty is a retired Chief Judge of the Court of Appeals, which was renamed the Supreme Court of Maryland in 2022. He served as Chief Judge from September 2021 until the mandatory retirement provision in Maryland's Constitution required him to retire in April 2022. Judge Getty was appointed in 2016 by Governor Larry Hogan to the Court of Appeals and has served in all three branches of state government. His legislative career includes serving in the House of Delegates from 1995 to 2002, where he sat on the House Judiciary Committee and worked on reforming Maryland's election and ethics laws. Elected in the Maryland Senate in 2010 and 2014, Judge Getty served on judicial proceedings and budget and tax committees. His service in the executive branch includes Policy Director for the Governor Robert L. Ehrlich Jr. and Chief Legislative Officer for Governor Larry Hogan. Prior to his appointment in the Court of Appeals, Judge Getty was a solo practitioner of law with Main Street offices in Hampstead and Manchester in Carroll County, where he was active in community events, including purchasing cakes at the 4-H Fair Cake Auction. In 1996, graduate of Maryland Carey Law, Judge Getty earned his bachelor's degree from Washington College and master's from George Washington University. In 2022, he was awarded an honorary Doctor of Laws degree by Washington College. Prior to becoming an attorney, Judge Getty was an architectural historian and worked for the National Trust for Historic Preservation and the Historical Society of Carroll County, where he authored 3 books on Maryland history. Judge Getty and his wife Susan raised 6 children at their home in Manchester. 1/3 of the Getty children have chosen legal careers. Their oldest son, Justice, graduated from Georgetown Law and is Deputy General Counsel with Clean Choice Energy Incorporated, a leading provider of clean, renewable energy to homes and businesses. A 2019 graduate of the University of Maryland Francis King Carey School of Law, Madison Getty is serving in the Judge Advocate General's Corps of the U.S. Navy. Drawing upon his historical preservation background, Judge Getty frequently gives presentations about Maryland legal history and the courtroom of the Supreme Court. He is also working on a project to update the history of the Court of Appeals, which was last published by Chief Judge Carol Bond in 1928. Judge Getty also continues to serve as a senior judge by special assignment for the Supreme Court and Appellate Court of Maryland. The University of Maryland Francis King Carey School of Law is proud to name the Honorable Joseph M. Getty the recipient of the 2023 Mary Ellen Barbera Judicial Excellence Award.